Good morning, my friends. Day 18 today. Oh my goodness, still doing good. Past couple nights I haven't had to hold my bear spray, so that's pretty good. It took me 2 weeks not to hold my bear spray. It's still pretty close to me, but I don't have to sleep with it. And I've been sleeping okay, and I had nice friends yesterday. A little 2 deer. They got super close when I was setting up my camp. See, I came down that way over there. They were just watching me how I set up my camp, and after I set it up I was hoping they're gonna be gone, and so they were, unless they were there while I was sleeping, but that was kind of cool. I have about 21 miles to Stevens Pass. Probably not make it in one day, but there's a bunch of uphills. Kind of foggy side right now in the mountain. So anyway, I'll see you around, and happy hiking, and keep donating. Hey everybody again. So I am at Piper Pass area. Those passes. Taking a little break. It's still super foggy. It's a good thing, so it's cooler, so it's nice, but no views. It's about 5,900 elevation, so I haven't seen too many snow patches right now. There's plenty usually around 5,000. But I'm gonna head down now. I have a little down climb, so that's pretty good. I'll see you around. Wow, this is crazy, even on a cloudy day. I mean, you don't see far, but some of the tips are cool. And the Surprise Lake down there, where people camp out sometimes, I guess. Anyway, I'm heading downhill now, so I'm all smiles right now. I'll see you around, and happy hiking and happy trailing, and click the button on the bottom of the screen for donation for multiple sclerosis. Happy hiking! Good morning, everybody. It is my 19th day, and looks like it's super awesome sunny day. Sun is behind my head. Woo, woo, woo. So I'm almost at Stevens Pass. I have a little to go. I probably hit my, over 200 miles. And it's been a great ride, so it's awesome. Especially with a sunny day today, it's cool. So, camped by the lake by myself again. Getting used to it, the by myself camping. Not as scared anymore, so it's getting easy every day. But I'll let you know where I'm at shortly, and happy hiking. Check out the mountains. Pretty cool. Alright, happy hiking. Hey, hey. So I have a couple more miles to go downhill, but here is Steven's ski lift. I wish I can just jump on a lift and slide down to the resort where I'm supposed to go. That would be kind of cool. But anyway, weird to see it in the summertime. I don't think I've done this lift. That looks like it's pretty high. I do the lower mountain, so anyway, see you on the bottom. Happy hiking. All right, Stevens Pass Trailhead. This is 250 miles, 19 days with 3 zeros. Oh my gosh. So if I can do this, I can probably go further and further and further. And anybody can really do it, if I can do it. So, happy hiking. Keep on donating, keep on hiking, keep on volunteering, and just be cool.